start. A cold chill blooms inside your heart.